To create a video using an image with AI, start by going to the website and signing into your account. From the home page, click on the AI Videos option, and then select the Image the Video tab. This will give you the option to add an image and a prompt to create a video. You can upload an image by clicking, dropping, or pasting it into the designated area. The image should be in PNG or JPEG format, with a maximum size of 10 megabytes and minimum dimensions of 300 pixels. Once the image is uploaded, you can add a prompt, which is optional, to describe what you want to see in the video. You can type in your prompt, such as flowers blooming, and also have the option to draw motions to enhance your video. The settings include a slider to adjust creativity and relevance, as well as options to select the length and number of generations, camera movement, and negative prompt, which allows you to specify what you do not want to see in your video. After filling out the desired settings, click Generate to create your AI video. Note that this process requires 10 credits. With these steps, you can easily create a video from an image using AI.